my friends, brothers and sisters of this valley, I am sorry. I am very much pained that media did not highlight the important issues of Barak Valley industry, which are as follow. Tea industry is passing through an extremely difficult phase. Tea prices realization is not able to keep pace with the escalating cost of production of tea. With increased worker wage, labor productivity is going down and in turn absenteeism is increasing. Subsidized ration distribution to worker has become an extra financial burden on tea industry. More so when workers are getting ration, subsidized ration from the government under the National Food Security Act. Climate change, high temperature, less rainfall, El Nino effect is a huge problem. आप लोग ने सबने देखा होगा 2022 में सिलचर में बहुत बड़ा फ्लड आया और बहुत सारा लोगों को नुकसान हुआ. This has happened because of the extreme weather condition. Tea industry of Barak Valley has taken initiative to install green energy, and about 5 megawatt of power is being generated through solars in the Barak Valley, and this will definitely reduce the greenhouse effects. Road condition from Silchar, Kallain, Badarpur, Shillong, Guwahati road is very bad condition. Balachera Haflong road about 25 km is also in bad condition, and we have requested government to take note of it. Or flight connectivity, we have requested government to improve the flight connectivity also. We have requested government to improve the telecom network, banking infrastructure for aiding digital payment distribution. Encroachment of tea garden land is an issue, and we have requested government to make a special tea cell to deal with the issue. We thank Chief Minister of Assam for launching scheme promotion of Assam tea. After meeting during Media Bite, an unintentional comment on my part had hurt the sentiment of Barakwashi. And understanding the situation and honoring the sentiment of all, I have already given my instant unconditional apology on 5th February 2024. My appeal to all concerned to please consider not to aggravate the situation any further. Rather, discuss the subject which affects well-being all of us. It was God wish that I was born in Gujarat, but I worked in Cachar for 45 years and have always tried to contribute meaningfully for the betterment of this valley. I, being general manager of a Barak Valley tea estate, want tea industry of Barak Valley to flourish, thereby creating wealth for the state, employment for the locals. My intention was never been to hurt the sentiment of anyone, and I once again reiterate that if by any means I have hurt my friends, brothers and sisters of this valley, I am sorry.